We do this because, these kids growing up, getting ready to graduate high school, I think needs a little bit of automotive knowledge. So we try to do our part just to make sure they're prepared for the real world after high school, just to learn how to pop hoods, learn how to fill washer fluid jugs, adjust air pressures. Just the small things we can try to do to help these kids ready for life. Tire rotations, just small repetitive routine maintenance, just to get them by. That way there are no catastrophic breakdowns or unexpected issues to come up with their vehicle.
Some of these kids might not have an opportunity to get some of this knowledge at home, or someone might not be pouring into them to do these kinds of things, and I think this is a very important life skill. It's very cool that we get to get a group of kids together, show them the ins and outs of how a car works, or if they end up in a stressful situation, that it can be fixed pretty easily. That's kind of why I like to do it, is just to give them some knowledge, and hopefully they can carry that on and go home and show someone else, and it just continues on and on.
I moved out, lived by myself whenever I was 16 years old, so I kind of had to learn a lot of stuff on my own. I think it's really, really important for kids to know how to change a tire on the side of the road, how to jump start a car, how to maintain their car. So many instances we have, young people who come into the dealership and their car's not maintained properly, and they end up in this big hole with money because their car hasn't been taken care of properly. Or you hear these horror stories that they got stuck on the side of the road for forever waiting for somebody to come help. Independence is just a really big thing now. So the more you know, the more they can do on their own. That's really why I think it's a great thing. I love every time we have them over here to do it.